All right, so we finished hiking at Ruffner Mountain. We did right at 5 miles, 4.95 miles. Took our time, enjoyed, let the boys, kind of run off a little bit. Overall, great hike. Check out the video. See ya. Joseph, what are we doing?
Hiking.
Where are we hiking, buddy?
What?
Where are we hiking?
Ruffner Mountain.
Yeah. Is it pretty out today? You like it out here?
Yeah.
So today we're out here hiking Ruffner Mountain. We're gonna just kind of go wherever the trail leads us. Not really a true plan yet, but come follow us along as we get out here and hike on this beautiful, beautiful October day. All right, cheers. So this area used to be covered in mill houses. So the old Ruffner quarry, mines, crushers, and railroad used to be right here. That's why all this gravel's here. This was a railroad spur. Anyways, found this old antique rose, which means there was probably a house right here at one point. Cool little history fact. All right, here we go. All right, so the history of this area is that on top of this ridge over here, there were maybe 10, 15 mine shafts that pulled the iron ore out. It would come off the top of the hill to iron ore crushers, who would then crush the large chunks of iron ore into smaller manageable pieces. Then from there, it would be loaded on the train. The old railroad bed is right here. And then from there, it would go down to be processed at all of the blast furnaces downtown Birmingham, such as Sloss, Irondale Furnace, on and on. And there's your history lesson for the day. It's amazing to me that at one point in history, I say 100 years ago, maybe even a little more, this entire area had no trees, was covered with heavy machinery, trains moving, houses here and there, mill houses. Yeah, and now it's a forest with old abandoned ruins. So while they were mining all the iron ore, they would send samples to the chemistry building, and they would do testing to see how much iron ore was in the rock, what other precious metals or metals in general could be found in the rocks. And it was all done in this chemistry building, which we believe was destroyed by fire because some of the joists that went across, there's remnants of them and they're charred. Anyways, really cool building, or what's left of it anyways. One of the coolest things about this structure is this was structurally held together by bricks. And check out how they laid these bricks. They would alternate one way then the other to give structure. What is that, buddy? What is that?
What?
Say you got a big old bazooka. Say it.
A big old bazooka.
Show it. Show me how it works.
What?
Show me how it works. Can you shoot it?
Do this. Put this back.
All right, so here is the old train tracks that went over top of this little bridge, tunnel, culvert that they made out of rocks. They're really cool. Anyways, train went over top probably thousands and thousands of times. And generally, when it's rained a lot, there's quite a bit of water flowing through this, but it's completely dry today. And the boys went into adventure. How was it, boys?
It was really scary. I want to go back.
Did you have fun?
I want to go back there.
Okay, go. Anyways, cool little piece of history again. This place is full of history and neat little things like this.
Can I show a picture?
So Hadden found a geocache inside
Can I keep
the little cave
Can
thing.
I keep it? Can I keep it?
No, we need to go put it back, buddy.
Okay.
Harrison. So we are top of Ruffner Mountain, and off in the distance, that mountain you can see is Oak Mountain. All right, so all over the side of this mountain, north and south side, are abandoned mine shafts. This is one of them. and they filled it to mine shaft, and they filled it in. All right, got all over the place. So you gotta watch. You gotta stay on trail here at Ruffner Mountain because they are all over the place with no signage. Cheers. So we started here, we hiked that trail, hiked all the way down that trail, hiked over the top of the mountain, we hiked the white trail to Nature Center. Mason, what do you have? Is that your skunk? Uh-oh.
Here's another key. I had a key.
If you get a chance, come out to the Ruffner Nature Preserve Nature Center. It's really cool, really well done. Little kids play area, some really cool live reptile exhibits, and yeah, it's about 2.25 miles from where we started. So we're gonna hike back out and call it a day. Cheers. So we're on the Birmingham side of Ruffner Mountain, and years ago there was a planned housing development here on the side of the mountain. So they came in, put a road up here, and then poured sidewalks, started flattening some of the lots off, and long story short, it all fell through. Nobody bought, and now you can walk down the abandoned sidewalk that was meant for the houses on the side of Ruffner Mountain. Kind of glad it didn't turn into houses, and now it's a preserved nature spot now. All right. We're about 4.5 miles in We got about a mile to get back to the car. Beautiful day for a hike. A little warm today, but it's October in Alabama. And yeah, great time. Kids had fun. Everybody's worn out. Go home and crash.